Good morning, students. This is Parvez Khan. Your warm welcome in my YouTube channel. And today I am with the last leaf question answers. You have to write, firstly, you have to write the words and their meanings of last leaf. So, dear students, these are the words: fall prey to, ill, with cold and fever. Okay, the second is ivy vine, a creeper plant. Third, ribbed, pulled apart violently and quickly. Fourth, broth, soup. Fifth, model, person or thing to be copied by the painter. Masterpiece, someone's best piece of work. Acute, severe. These are the words and their meanings. Now, students, do the reading A part. Choose the correct answer to complete these sentences. Okay, Jonah saw outside the window. So the answer is you will fill this a creeper with a few leaves. Okay. Sue did not want Jonah to count the leaves because Jonah associated the falling of the leaves with her life. Sue went to see Bahar Man because she wanted him to be the model for her painting. The fourth is Jonah became well because the last leaf never fell from the vine and that gave her hope. Baharman died because he spent the night painting the leaf in the cold. Okay, dear students? Okay, all of you will copy the question from here. Be part of reading. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago, there were almost 100. Who said this to whom? First question. What does she refer as to as they? Okay, see what state was the speaker in? Why was she in such a state? The second, I have something to tell you, dear. So first, A question, who said this to whom? About whom did the speaker tell her friend? C is what did the speaker tell her friend? Okay. So the first answer is, dear student, Jonah said this to her friend and roommate Sue. Okay. B, Jonah is talking about the leaves on the ivy vine growing on a wall outside their window. Jonah was C. Answer C. Jonah was feeling unwell because she had severe pneumonia. Okay, severe pneumonia. The second answer A. Sue said these words to Jonah. B. Sue told Jonah about the unfortunate end of Baharman. The answer C is quite lengthy. Dear students, Sue told Jonah that Baharman breathed his last in the hospital. The caretaker had found him 2 days ago completely drenched. Drenched means wet, यानी पूरी तरह से भीगा हुआ. And in a lot of pain. Okay. Moreover, यानी इसके अतिरिक्त, इसके अलावा, he has found with the lantern scattered brushes and palette with colors. Palette means होता है, dear students, a type of board जिसपे कलर होते हैं, उसको palette कहते हैं. With colors. The ivy vine on the brick with one leaf which gave Jonah the hope and will to live was painted by Baharman, who gave up his life to give Jonah the hope to live hers. ओके, अब ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, आंसर इन डिटेल. हाउ डिड जोनास फिजिकल कंडीशन कंप्लीटली शैटर हर फ्रॉम विद इन. द सेकेंड इज, ये आंसर सी है, सी पार्ट है ये. What is Barman's masterpiece? What makes you say so? इन दोनों के आंसर्स देखिए आप. सी का फर्स्ट, she lost all her will to live and associated the number of days left in her life to the number of leaves left on the ivy vine. When the last leaf on the vine falls, it would signal her last day as well. Now do the C second. Bearman painted an ivy vine on a brick wall with one last leaf and placed it outside their window the night the last leaf fell from the ivy vine. Okay. Now we will do these two questions, dear students. Do you think Jonah would have recovered if the last leaf had fallen? Discuss this in class. Okay. The second is, what Bearman did not achieve in life, he achieved in death. Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons for your answer. तो ये हमारे आयशा तरीन के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको ये क्वेश्चन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, और जो हमारे दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो यूट्यूबर्स हैं हमारे, तो वो कर सकते हैं इफ़ दे वांट. सो आंसर आर हेयर. फर्स्ट, जोना माइट नॉट हैव recovered if the last leaf had fallen. It seemed like she had given up all hope and was now waiting for the last leaf to give her a cue, means signal. The second is, painting something that gave hope and life to another. There is a good chance that if he hadn't painted the last leaf on the wall, Jonah might have given up all hope to live. Okay, thanking you. Take care, all of you.